Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use an Xfinity hotspot on your iPhone. First, go to the App Store and download the Xfinity app. Once it is installed, open the app. Sign in using your Xfinity ID. This can be your email, mobile number, or username along with your password. After signing in, you will see the main home screen. Next, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the Wi-Fi tab. On this page, tap on Wi-Fi hotspots, then tap on the option that says Connect automatically. A message will appear asking for permission to download a configuration profile. Tap Allow. When you see the message that says Profile Downloaded, tap Close. Now comes the important part. Even though the profile is downloaded, it still needs to be installed. Close the Xfinity app and open the Settings app on your iPhone. Near the top of the screen, you will see a new option called Profile Downloaded. Tap on it. On the next screen, tap Install in the top right corner. Enter your iPhone passcode when asked. Then tap Install again, and finally tap Done. Once this is complete, everything is set up. Your iPhone will now automatically find and securely connect to Xfinity or Xfinity mobile hotspot networks whenever they are nearby. Thanks for watching.